The importance of monitoring and analyzing social media metrics and data. To be successful on social media, you need more than aimless posting. You need to measure and analyze the data from your accounts to make informed decisions about how you should use them for marketing purposes. This video will discuss the importance of social media marketing metrics and explain why data analysis is essential for your marketing efforts. What are social media metrics? Social media metrics are essential for a successful social media strategy. Measuring success through social media metrics proves that you can measure the impact of your campaigns and the performance of your overall social media strategy. There are many different social media metrics that you can use to measure the success of your campaigns. Some of the most common include: 1. Reach. How many people have seen your posts? 2. Engagement. How much interaction did your posts receive? This could include likes, shares, and comments. 3. Conversions. Did people take any specific action from seeing your posts, such as signing up for an email list or making a purchase? Why do you need social media analytics tools? Social media analytics tools are invaluable for businesses that rely on social media marketing. These powerful tools can help you create performance reports to understand better what's working and not working for your business. Additionally, they should provide the data you need to assess your social media marketing strategy on both macro and micro levels. They can help you answer questions. 1. Is it worth it for my business to keep posting on Pinterest? 2. Is my Twitter presence strong enough? 3. How has my organic reach evolved? Social media analytics tools should also be able to identify gaps within your campaigns as well as opportunities for improvement. Overall, having access to these tools will help you make informed decisions and ensure your efforts are being put to practical use. Measuring the right social media metrics. Social media metrics are vital for any organization that wants to demonstrate the success of its social media campaigns. By tracking these metrics, you can measure the success of a particular campaign, see how well your overall social strategy is working, and if it's positively affecting your business. The most important social media metrics to track when measuring the success of a social media campaign are reaches, engagement, likes, shares, and comments. It's also essential to track how long people are spending on your site and whether they're converting into leads or customers. Tracking these crucial social media metrics can improve your overall strategy and see tangible results. Engagement, likes, comments, shares, and clicks. Engagement metrics like likes, comments, shares, and clicks can provide valuable insights into how effectively your content resonates with your audience. Here are some engagement metrics to consider when monitoring your content strategy. 1. Likes. How many people have liked your posts? 2. Comments. What kinds of comments have been left on your posts? 3. Shares. How often has your content been shared on social media? 4. Clicks. How often has someone clicked through from a link in one of your posts to the main page or another post on your site? No one magic engagement metric tells you everything you need to know about your content success. Still, various metrics can help you make changes as needed and understand how your content is performing. Keeping track of multiple engagement metrics can help you understand your content's performance and change your strategy as needed. Content metrics. Getting the right content in front of the right people is not enough. You must monitor your performance and ensure you make the most of your efforts. When you have the correct content marketing metrics in place, it is possible to identify your top performing channels and make improvements where necessary. Content metrics can be broken down into two main categories: engagement metrics and performance metrics. Engagement metrics measure how users interact with content, such as likes, shares, comments, and views. Performance metrics measure the impact of the content on a given platform or audience segments, such as click-through rate, conversions, and lead generation. Tracking these metrics is vital for understanding how well content resonates with an audience. It provides insight into which content is working and which needs to be changed or improved. It also helps measure the success of campaigns by tracking likes, shares, comments, conversions, and reach, so you can change strategies if they are not working. Awareness, impressions and reach. The reach and impressions of a post on social media are essential metrics to measure when measuring your content's success. Reach is the total number of unique users who have seen your post, while impressions are the number of times a user has seen your post and how many times they have seen it. A bar with a high reach count and engagement rate means that the content went viral via retweets and shares. On the other hand, a post that has strong impressions counts, but a low engagement number means that many people will not see the post, which will be bad for business. Measuring reach and impressions can give you an idea of how well your content performs compared to similar posts from competitors. By comparing the data, you can identify areas where your content is lacking and make improvements accordingly. Video metrics. If you are producing videos, an important metric to track is the number of people viewing them. It is essential to understand how many have been watched to evaluate if your content has succeeded and inform future video creation decisions. Measuring the total number of subscribers after watching your video is vital. This will give you an idea of how successful your efforts have been. Another option is to enter the number of views for each video manually. Whatever measurement method you choose, ensure you keep accurate records so that you can analyze and improve your video marketing strategy in the future. Customer experience and service metrics. CSAT, which stands for Customer Satisfaction Score, is an important metric to gauge how customers feel about a company's product or service. It not only measures the number of happy customers with their purchases but also provides feedback for businesses to see if they would recommend the business to others and if the same customers would return. CSAT can provide insight into customer trends, allowing companies to understand what is working, what isn't, and what needs to be improved. Share of voice and sentiment metrics. Given the importance of social media in modern-day marketing, brands need to track and measure their social impact metrics. Soft metrics are a combination of data points that measure the value of a brand's presence on social media. Marketers should also be monitoring social sentiment. This refers to tracking customer feedback about the brand and its offerings across social media platforms. Doing so allows marketers to gain insights into customers' feelings about the brand and its products or services. Google Analytics. Google Analytics is one of the best ways to track social media campaigns and measure their ROI. Most companies have an account to track and analyze website traffic, but you may not know how to use Google Analytics. Google Analytics can provide valuable insights into how your audience interacts with your content and which channels are most effective. By understanding how your audience interacts with your content, you can achieve the best possible results and make informed decisions about your social media strategy. Conclusion. Monitoring and analyzing social media metrics and data is essential for success in digital marketing campaigns. By understanding these metrics, marketers can optimize their campaigns and maximize their ROI. Additionally, tracking social sentiment allows marketers to gain insights into customer feedback about the brand and its offerings, enabling them to target their audience better.